The features of iWork electronic combination lock. 1. 87,380 different combinations in total for these 4 digits in the keypad. Default passwords 1234. 2. Ultra low power consumption, powered by batteries, and the batteries are very easy to be replaced. 3. The numbers on the keypad are big enough and very much visible. 4. Comes with a decoder and no worries about forgetting the passwords. Here are some of the solutions to the problems that we might encounter while we're using the lock, such as forgetting the passwords, running out of batteries, etc. 1. Replace the batteries. Remove the cover of the battery box and replace a new set of batteries. 2. Reset the passwords. Passwords are combined with 4 digits which are in the range of 1 to 8. Enter your old passwords and long press the start button for 2 seconds until it lights up. Enter your new passwords and long press the start button again until you hear a beep sound. Password resetting completed. 3. USB decoder. Step 1. Open the little container at the bottom by inserting a small-sized screwdriver into the gap. Step 2. Insert a USB decoder. Long press the start button until you hear a beep sound. Step 3. Turn the knob and unlock it. Remove the USB decoder. The passwords have been reset back to default passwords, which are 1, 2, 3, 4. Press the start button again to confirm. Turn the knob to unlock. Open the locker. Put back the cover on the battery box. Entering wrong passwords. Once you enter wrong passwords, you'll notice that the lock will start to beep, and the knob cannot be turned to unlock. If you enter the wrong pin 4 times, the alarm will be set off and will continue to ring for 40 seconds. Unless you enter the correct pin, then the alarm will be turned off automatically.